my God! Stop chasing me! Why is this dog so angry today?
Your body will change, and many bad things will happen around you to make you sad. Why? Because Elara must eat your joy to grow and wash away her dark curse.
Okay, Lily. Madam Jenny said my body will change, and this is it. I am just filled with Elara's magic. I promise to stay positive. Being positive is my new job now. Look at my belly. It is so round and soft. I look like a happy yellow watermelon. A very cute watermelon. Elara, can you hear me inside my heart? Don't worry, I will be happy for you today.
Oh my God, Mark, look at our daughter. Is that the 5th plate of pancakes?
I don't believe it, Sarah. That tower of pancakes is taller than her head. Lily, please slow down. Where is all that food going?
This is so delicious, Dad. I am just so hungry today. My belly wants more food. Actually, it feels like my body is burning a lot of energy.
Your fever is gone, but your appetite is crazy. Yesterday, you were so sick, and today you eat like a champion.
Don't worry, Mom. I feel very strong and happy. See? Staying positive is so easy. The sun is shining, and I am a beautiful, happy girl on a swing. Oh no, my favorite swing! No, don't be sad. Falling down is good. It means the grass is very soft today. I am totally fine. Oh my God! Stop chasing me! Why is this dog so angry today? I am just a round girl in a yellow sweater. I am not a giant toy! Okay, Lily, stay positive. This is not a dangerous attack. This is just an unexpected morning exercise.
Wait, who is that? She is wearing Lily's favorite yellow sweater.
She has Lily's hairstyle, but she looks like a heavy yellow pillow walking on the street.
Is that really my best friend? No way, Lily was a small girl yesterday. Oh my gosh, Lily, look at your face. What happened to you? Wait, this is not funny. Lily, is this Elara's ice magic? Did Madam Jenny's words come true? Everything is changing.
Yes, Sophia, it is me. Please don't laugh at how I look right now. I am trying very hard to stay positive. I ate a huge tower of pancakes this morning. And my body just feels so heavy and unusual.
An appetite? But Lily, this energy is growing inside you. Do you feel cold?
I don't feel cold at all. But I am worried about our classmates. If Nora and Pip see my new face, they will laugh at me at school.
Don't worry, Lily. I am here. Remember the rule. You must stay happy to keep Elara's soul safe. I will protect you. Ready? Go!
I did it!
Great job. Next.
My turn. Yes! Woohoo! I made it!
Everyone is doing great.
Yay! We did it!
Look at that stumble. You cannot even clear the first step, Lily.
You don't belong on this team.
Are you trying to waste everyone's practice time? You look so completely out of place in that yellow uniform.
Are you sure you can even keep up with the lesson? I am just a little bit slow today. This new look is just a bit hard to control. Gym class is for active and perfect students, not for slow and clumsy ones. Maybe you should go home and just sit on your sofa. Please stop, Nora. I am trying to be happy. It is not nice to say that. Why should I stop? You are slowing everyone down. You don't belong to our school anymore. Shut up, Nora! Don't you dare laugh at my best friend! What, Sophia? Why are you protecting her? Lily is your enemy. Her family ruined your dad. We are friends. We hate Lily, remember? You are not my friends. You are just fake parasites. Lily is my only real friend. We are a team again, and if you touch her, you will answer to me. Lily, please look at me. Don't cry. You are safe now. Nora and Pip are gone. I can't, Sophia. I cannot stay positive anymore. It is too hard. It is too difficult for me. Right now, my head is only full of bad, negative thoughts. I hate myself. I hate this body. No, Lily. You cannot give up. Don't you remember Elara? She is inside your heart. We must save Elara. From now on, you don't need Nora, Pip, or anyone else. You only play with me. But Sophia, you also gave up on me before. You hated me. You walked away from me for 3 years. How can I trust you now? I never hated you, Lily. Never. I was just scared and alone, but I always kept our promise. Look at this, Lily. Do you remember it? You bought this puzzle heart for us. You have the yellow side, and I have the white side. I kept it with me every single day. Our hearts are still one. Sophia, you still have it? I'm so clumsy. You're doing great. Keep going. Ugh, I missed again. Oh, you can do it. Okay, one more try. Ready to race? I'm going to win. No way. Watch this. I'm catching up. Too slow. I'm right behind you. Yes, I won. Sophia? Elara? Oh my God, Elara, you are back. You are alive. I missed you so much. Hello. Who are you? Why are you crying? Who am I? Elara, don't you remember me? It's me. I am Lily, your best friend. Don't you remember the forest? The ice castle? And our warm pancakes? Lily? Pancakes? No, I don't remember anything. My head is completely empty. Everything is just white and quiet. Do I know you? And do I have a name? You don't even remember your own name? No, I don't know who I am. But you feel very warm. I like your eyes. It's okay. Don't worry about it, little spirit. From now on, your name will be Elara. It is a beautiful name for a wonderful, magical little elf. Elara. Elara? I love it. It sounds like a cold, sweet winter song. Thank you, Lily. You lost your old memories, but that is totally fine. The past is gone, and the sad winter is over. From today, we will build new, beautiful memories together. I will show you the school, the park, and my favorite strawberry ice cream.
Yay! I can't wait!
New memories? Strawberry ice cream? I want to know everything about you, Lily.